Hey guys, today basically what I'll be teaching you on your Minecraft modding, because this is episode 3, on what is going to be how to create a block and make it drop anything you want when you mine it. It's fairly simpler to this, but what we're going to do, we'll basically copy the code, change this to block because it's a block, name it something else, we'll just name it Lucky Block Item. No, it's probably, I think we should put Lucky Block. There, and the ID will be 501. The ID can be anything. We're just going to do set, and I'll do it after this. Dot set. Get this into dot. And just take dot set, and maybe we need to create the other class first. We'll go ahead and do that. So we're going to have source, net Minecraft source, go right click, new, class, Lucky Block. Okay, so we're going to copy everything from this class, paste it in this class, whoops, and after this public class Lucky Block, which we'll just change to Lucky Block because that's the class name, we'll do public void ID dropped int j, or it can be anything, and we'll open this up, and all we're going to do is return item dot lock. Okay, no, since this is in our mod underscore class, we're going to go mod underscore lucky block dot lucky block, which is an item, and hit semicolon, and I'll be back in a second to have a quick little look. I should research this better, but I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I just discovered it's int, and it's going to be random, and we'll put a random, and another int is j. And it should work. Maybe not, so I'll be back in one other second. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to do a few more things just to see. Mod loader dot add override GUI. I forget this one. I got back and forth to my previous mod to this mod. It's so confusing. Sorry about this, but I'll be back in a sec. It just came to me while I was doing that, but it's terrain and PNG. And we're going to set that, to our own something. If I'll just scroll down and find it. Okay, it's blocky stuff images slash blocky block dot png. Okay, why doesn't it like that? Oh, for some reason that changed this. Oh, right, what? This has to be a block. Okay. No, I don't want to edit that. Oh, okay. Think I don't know. I'm sorry again, but I will be back in one more sec. Okay, I think I know what's wrong, and that is because I did extends item right here. Nope, right, wrong class, and like the item there, but here, of course, it's an item, so we want it to extends of our block. Blocky int 2. No, this is a block. I'll be back in a sec. I'm really sorry about this, but keep got to refer to my old mod I made and come back. And not terribly good, but I'm hoping you can learn from me, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I don't quite remember what I did. I just changed an int I and an int j. And what we're gonna do is material dot so this will be what it acts like. We'll make it act like ice would be to slip, grass, that'll do. So that'll make it act like grass and try and dig it. So figured out. I think it's got id dot dot. Okay, I've got this through here. Dot id dot. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. I'm really sorry about this. Yeah, sorry. Just remembered what it was, and I think I was right with shifted index. So I'll get it pretty much its ID. It will return its ID. So what it will drop is the ingot when you mine it, which is more like a diamond, on its ID. So it'll pretty much spawn one of them right where you mine it. So errors have gone, but what is wrong with this now? Set item name. I think, pretty sure why it's set block name. There we go. That's fixed. It's set block name for that. So, what this does here, basically, you know, it tells it its texture like we did down here, but I decided to do up here. I think you can do the same. Just do it the same. I'm not sure if it doesn't work. I'm obviously wrong, but of course I haven't yet tried, and I don't really want to try. But let's create the blocky block dot png. So we're gonna desktop, Minecraft stuff, YouTube modding, items. Of course, this won't be under items, because this is a block. So we're going to do Minecraft bin, Minecraft, and just look for terrain. It will be in here. Well, it should be terrain.png. Yeah, there should be one that's terrain.png, not terrain. This is all your textures and everything. Just gonna copy it to your desktop or whatever you want. Hopefully to move it. Nope. Gonna open that instead of the images. Desktop. Terrain. Okay. So this is slightly easier. I'm going to retexture a gold or maybe something else, but I think texturing a gold is probably easier. I think I'm going to be texturing an iron block. It's probably the best idea to go with. Oops. Then we're going to create a new file, and it should automatically do the size. For some reason, it's, oh yeah, I've done it slightly off here, so you want to try and get it 16 by 16 pixels. I believe it is anyway. Pretty sure it is anyway. Save file 15 by 16. Okay. It's really annoying, but I didn't make it wide enough. Very important you get it 16 by 16, otherwise you'll get way too much pixelated block end. You do not want that, trust me. Oh, file open, no, file new. 17 by 16, I don't care, that'll do. Yeah, that didn't do too bad. It's just that side is a bit too big, but alright, you gotta change it to 16 by 16 'cause it does have to be, and just do keep camera size, escape, zoom in. Okay, that'll just trim off the excess fat, let's say. Oops. You're gonna wanna select all the bits you want to for it to select and hit Control whilst multiple selecting. Oops. Undo that one. Oops. Paint.net is free, by the way, so don't worry saying, oh no, I can't afford that, I can't do this. Any photo editing software will do. I choose Paint.net because I like it, but don't worry if you don't have a decent one. You can either download this or you can just use any one you have, as long as it's 16 by 16 pixels and you're happy with it. It honestly doesn't matter. Just try and get it exact. Don't want to retexture all the other stuff. Get that one there. I think I've done that. Go up there and get up. There we go. So, adjustments, hue and saturation. Just gonna change it a bit. Try and make it the same color as we made the ingot. I'm not sure if that's possible. I should have remembered the exact ones, but this color will do, I think. Yeah, that'll do. This is what it looks like. We'll go File, Save As. We'll just save it Minecraft stuff, YouTube modding, blocky, block. Hit OK and exit out and don't save anything else you've got. So, open up your Minecraft stuff folder or whatever you called it. Get your blocky block thing .png, whatever. Drag it in there. Hit OK. Pretty much done. But I'm just going to change the crafting recipe here to, well, from a blocky block. What you get is a blocky block. So hopefully, oops, I should, all in all, be correct. We'll just test that now. Okay, it's working so far. Come on, don't crash on me. Oh no. Okay, modloader. Okay, what doesn't it like? What? I don't see what it's not liking. 501. I think 501's ID is slightly too high. I'm gonna lower the IDs by 100 each. Just test that now, because it said out of bounds ID, unless that means there's something wrong with it initializing the block, and I have an idea why it may be doing that. Okay, in your load, or put it in here, we'll do what I think we'll do anyway is modloader dot, oh no, what, didn't like the modloader thing. Modloader, oh wait, I know, let's have a little class. Stupid thing. Modloader dot register block, and we'll do blocky block, and that should, all in all, register it to the game and hopefully get it working. But of course I haven't named it or anything, so it's probably going to get another error. Yes, why is this? Okay, obviously like this, I'm not quite seeing why. Maybe I need to like this here, to blocky block, block, to a blocky block, block, and I'm just gonna try removing this here. So I don't think that's right. Does that, no, dot set name blocky block block. Yeah, we don't exactly need this. It was just when I was trying to see why there was a problem last time. Still erroring. Why is that? Okay. Material dot gloss. I think that's what it wants. No. Okay. No. Why? Okay. We don't want two arguments here. No, that's Lua, but we don't want anything in there. Okay. So we'll just get rid of that. Oops. Okay. Oops, what did I do? Okay. Blocky block dot. Oh god, I forgot this. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry about this. Okay, I'm back. So what I did is I put a comma 0 there and an int k here. I'm not sure why, but so it is. That's what it was, and yeah. Here, I'll just like this. What is it? Blocky block. You know what? I'm just gonna, for the sake of it, right. I think that was why. Yeah. Let's see if that works now. Okay, still not working. I'll be back in a sec and have another look. Okay, I'm back. It's a really simple fix. All you got to do is change this to a low number because I think 400 is the max, and I changed it to 181. I removed the ID thing and I created an int I and an int x, did an I and k material.grass, so I like grass. So, yeah, I also added set hardness, so how hard it is to dig. 10 is for bedrock, I think. Resistance is how resistant it is to things like explosions, like creepers and TNT, and set block name is the same as that. And I also done this thing here. I did this block index in texture, just like I did icon index. I did block index in texture, so it's the texture of the block. And my loader will add over terrain.png and then the image. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna, because the ID drop thing isn't working at the moment, so gonna have a quick look on YouTube for a solution. Haha. Okay, I'm back and I'm quickly gonna end it off. Just gonna undo this here. Yeah, I think I was right originally here. I'm just gonna have a test, and that does work. Single player. Don't really want creative because we can't mine. We'll just create a survival world really fast. Creating world, survival. Okay. Just give it a sec to create. Gotta end this tutorial really soon. Upload it probably a day after. So yeah. Give it a second. How far I place my trees. 3. Wow, this is interesting. Just need one chunk of wood. Oh god, no, I'm gonna need a pickaxe again. Give to epic forwards iron pickaxe 1. I'm not on cheat mode. quickly turn it on. Cheat mode. Cheat. Generate directly with logic on. Go. Give it a sec to generate. It will take so little time. Just needs to take a second or two. Any second now. Okay. Give to iron pickaxe. Play Simulate. Our new YouTube video was for the ID. I could not find it anywhere. I had to change it a teeny bit, so yeah. Don't complain. I completely forgot they changed it in 1.3 because it needed an extra parameter for some reason. I'll quickly do this. The white did an extra parameter, but they changed the block thing, so just gotta quickly find the ID on my internet loads. 116. Oh, how was that? Well, it looks like it's 278. 278. Okay. Just need a log. Give tab log. Look at the ID for log, stupidly. Log ID, and just gotta find this log. We have to quickly end the video. Log, no ID for log, come on. To look on here then really fast. Log. Where's a log? 17. Okay. 17. Okay, so I need pick up the road, that there. Blocky block thingy. Place it down, mine it, and we get this blocky block, which was the ingots. Yay! In the next video, I'll show you how to generate this into the world, so you'll be able to find it in caves, different depths, any depth you want. You can even spawn at the surface if you really want. That would be how you generate it. It would be similar, but not actually that. It will be using slightly different methods. But yeah, in the next video I'll teach you how to generate it into the world. So you'll be able to find it in caves and stuff. So I'm just going to end the video here, and until then, rate, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm just going to end the video here, and rate, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, until then, I'll see you then.